Hello everyone, today let's talk about Shift oil seal. This is a well-hub oil seal, Shift oil seal, and it's made of rubber and metal. This color is a black color, and there is a coffee color. Look this has with a spring. This oil seal is very strong. Let's look this sides. This side is internal diameter is 78 and external diameter is 115. This thing there is 10 and there is 19.5. You just can through this size to fit this oil seal. This oil seal also have many following features. The first one is vulcanizes at low temperature, with longer service life and more wear resistance, high temperature resistance, and oil leakage prevention, mud-proof water, thickened spring. This is spring, thickened spring, and thickened skeleton. If you are interested in this product, just send us our inquiries. We also can send you free samples. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.